Hi, I'm Laura from the LiveSchool team, and let's talk about how to award points in LiveSchool. Start by heading over to the point screen. Here you're going to see all of your students arranged by your rosters, by their grade levels, or by other teachers' rosters. You can also search for a student by name if you're not sure what roster or what grade level they might be in. You can choose individual students, multiple students, or choose all of the students in a particular roster in order to provide them with points. You can also quickly award a point to a student just by scanning their QR badge. Once you've chosen a student or group of students, you're going to see all the behaviors that are aligned to your school's rubric. Now you can choose one or multiple behaviors and choose to use the default number of points or to add more if your school allows for it. You can also add additional comments to provide context and more feedback for your students, such as, "Thanks for being such a great role model today." Once you hit submit, those points are added to the students that you've chosen. It's that easy. You're also able to track all of the points that you've been providing using the timeline feature. This will quickly show you everything that has been happening in your class and give you the opportunity to undo anything that you might have done by accident. And that's it. That's how you award points in LiveSchool.